Welcome to your new Espresso Series 1. I'm Kelly, Senior Design Producer here at Fellow, and I am so excited to walk you through unboxing your new machine. This isn't just your unboxing, it's your first moment of ownership. We'll walk through what's inside, why each piece matters, and how to get set up for your first shot. Place your box on a flat, level surface. Lift the lid and open the front flap to slide out the inner box. On top, you will find your documentation box. This is your quick start guide to everything Series 1. Inside, you will find the Espresso Basics pamphlet, your guide for grind size, puck prep, and milk steaming tips. In this pamphlet, there's a QR code. You can scan it to download the app to check out other quick how-to videos. You'll also find the Get to Know You guide. This covers setup, care, and warranty details so you can understand your machine better. The safety manual will have important information to keep your setup safe and smooth. Next up, the water testing kit. Better water means better flavor and longer machine life. We include this because water quality has a big impact on both the taste and machine health. Think of it as your first step towards cafe-grade results. Next, find your accessories box in the front section of the main box. Inside, you will find a 58mm portafilter, the same size used in cafes for consistency and compatibility with professional tools. The tamper, balanced and intuitive, designed to feel just right in your hand. The steaming pitcher, a 10-ounce stainless steel pitcher designed for crisp latte art and controlled steaming. 2 filter baskets, 1 single wall basket and 1 double wall basket, giving you flexibility depending on your coffee and setup. And last but not least, the cleaning tools. We included backflush tablets, descaling solution, and small cleaning tools for the group head and steam wand. You'll find these under the storage pad. We have included everything you need to care for your Series 1 right in the box. And now for the main event, your machine. Lift it carefully out of the box. This is the group head, part of our boosted boiler system. This system ensures temperature stability. This means you're going to get consistently great tasting espresso. We designed a Series 1 to perform like a professional machine, yet still feel right at home on your counter. At the back, you will find your power cord and built-in cord management system. This design came directly from user feedback. Here, you can tuck away any extra length or extend it if your outlet is farther away. Everything stays neat and accessible. As you position your Series 1, think about your workflow. Consider where your grinder, scale, and cups live. Series 1 is designed to fit seamlessly into your espresso station, whether it is a full setup or a corner of your kitchen. Plug in your machine and turn it on. When it powers up for the first time, you will be guided through your setup. After setup, you will want to fill your water tank. Press the indentation to open the lid. The tank slides out easily so you can fill it up right from your faucet. Once that is done, you are ready to pull your first shot. Our How to Pull a Shot video will guide you through grind size, dosing, and extraction. You are now fully set up and ready to brew cafe-quality espresso at home. Check out our other videos to learn more about your Series 1 espresso machine. We're here to help you refine your process and enjoy every moment along the way.